What's up, guys? I don't know why I'm doing this today. I hardly eat fast food chain restaurants, let alone it's 1 a.m. right now. I'm gonna be really paying for it in the morning. But sometimes, guys, I get cravings for fast food, like some Taco Bell, maybe a double quarter pounder from McDonald's, or maybe curly fries from Jack in the Box. But that's not the case right now. I've been wanting to try these spicy tiny tacos. I know I'm late in the game, but been wanting to try it and give a good review on it. So let's give it a try. First of all, look at these boxes. I love these boxes. They look like these Chinese takeout boxes. Let's get a closer look at it, guys. Let's see here. Like the little cartoons. I love that little animated products on there of burgers and tacos and stuff. But I got the regular spicy tiny tacos, and I also got the this is the spicy tiny tacos, and this is the loaded spicy tiny tacos. And they also gave me some ranch, supposed to go well with the tacos. And I wanted to try this creamy avocado lime sauce, which I didn't know they had, and also their secret, the secret sauce that they put on their burgers, I believe. All right, so let's give this a try. Let's open these up. Let's go with the spicy tiny regular tacos first. And I think there's supposed to be 15 tacos in each one. Look at that, guys. It looks so small and tiny. Doesn't look anything like the thumbnail, right? But should be good. Let's check one of these out real quick. Very small tacos. I mean, there's my fingers. Little tiny tacos. Let's open the inside real quick. Okay, not very appetizing. You got the ground beef. It's like some spicy sauce on there, and little bits and pieces of jalapeno. Let's give it a try real quick before we put some sauce on it. It's crunchy. It's kind of spicy, not too much, but for me, it's because I'm not really into spicy food, so it's a little bit. I guess it's medium spice. Let's try another one real quick. Well, I'm gonna dump it out real quick. Let's see how many. I already ate 2, I think, right? 2, 8, 10, 12, 14 pieces. I'm short one. Oh well. All right, so let's give this a try one more time without the sauce. They're really good. It's a really good snack. Really easy to eat, one biters. Try with the avocado sauce. Let's try with the ranch sauce. I don't know why, but I love Jack in the Box ranch. All right, this buggers. There's a fly here. Bia, can you give me the fly swatter right there? Come on, fly, where are you? Now he doesn't come. Okay, come on. Come on, I'll get you real quick. All right, let's try with the ranch. Supposedly this is the sauce that goes with it. That goes well with it. All right, here you go. Very good. Ranch does go well with it. It kind of is like it's like cooling mechanism for the tacos. They're not that spicy, but it, like the contrast of the cool ranch and the spicy, salty tacos. Very good. I'm gonna double it up this time. Oh, there's a fly. I'm down to 5 more here, guys. I think these are limited time only. So I know, and like I said, I was late in the game. I think these came out like 2 months ago, maybe a month ago. They should keep it on the menu. It's pretty good. Really easy to eat. I'm already down to my last one here. I'm gonna try it with the creamy avocado lime sauce. Let's see how that. Ooh. Let's see. Creamy avocado lime sauce, guys. See how that is. Never had this sauce. I didn't know that they had ranch there. That's it. Okay. Yeah. The avocado is really evident in that. But you can't really taste the lime. That's a pretty good sauce. I'm gonna have to get that next time. All right, guys. I'm pretty much done with the regular spicy Thai tacos, and then we're gonna do the loaded one. Here, I'll just open it up. That definitely doesn't look like the thumbnail that I have up. Look at that, guys. That's how it looks like inside. It smells like lettuce. You can smell the lettuce a lot. The spicy sauce, and I believe they doused it also with some of the nacho cheese sauce. All right, I'm gonna actually open this up. I'm gonna do this because it's gonna be hard to eat. And I'm gonna use my hands to eat this. Let's cut it here. Let's see if I can make it into a plate. All right, there we go. Oh, okay, I just made a mess. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. All right, so all the sauce looks like it went to the bottom. Let me see. There's 15 on this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 again. It's supposed to be 15. Why do they always put 14? All right. Let's go. Let's go try it first, guys, without any sauces again. All right, I'm breaking a little sweat here. I know it's not spicy, but again, I'm not into that much spicy stuff, but I love spicy food. Okay, it doesn't make sense. I do love spicy food, but not too spicy. And these are not that spicy, and I'm still breaking a sweat. All right, let's get one that's like pretty much has everything in it. So let's get this one, for instance. Oh, this one looks like. Okay, this one, guys, has the lettuce. You can see some of that cheese right there. This one, it does feel a little soggy now because all the sauces that were put on it, but the edges look a little crispy still. But let's try it without the sauce first. Okay. Those are definitely better than just the regular spicy tacos because of the nacho cheese. It really strong, and then also that spicy sauce that you normally put inside the tacos. It wasn't crispy though, like I said, because of all the toppings on it. But and there's also like a lot of them that are not doused, like this one, for instance. Doesn't have any toppings on it because it was on the bottom or probably in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is just dip it in here. Okay, that was a little crispy. But it definitely needs the ranch sauce for sure. Let's open one of these ranches. Let's get one of these ones with the tons of lettuce on it. All right, guys. Oh man, I put a bunch of ranch on that one. Yeah, way better with the ranch. I'm gonna double up on one. Smear it with some cheese. I know these are for a limited time only, but question is, would I go back for these again? I probably would. But I probably won't go like once a week. This will be like more than like once every 2 months or 3 months for me. They're good, and they're a good little snack. I think the loaded fries are $4 only, and then the regular spicy tiny tacos are $3. So it's pretty good deal. It's a good price. You'll probably be full just on one of those. But they're not bad. I think they should keep it on the menu, honestly. But I guess when it's like for limited time only, it gets exciting and get people to buy it more, I guess. All right, let's get these two. I'm gonna wipe off my sweat, dude. What the hell? This is embarrassing. Not even spicy. So I'm down to a couple more here. Just knock it out. Have you guys tried these yet? Comment below if you have. Let me know what you guys think. These are like definitely good late night things to eat. But for sure, I better eat healthy the rest of the day because these are very junky and not healthy at all for sure. Last one, guys. Those weren't bad at all. So there you go. What I think about it, they're pretty good. They're like one of those kind of things that you could eat like maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 or 3 months. They're not super healthy at all, but they are a good snack, and it's super cheap, $3, $4. It's good with the ranch. I always like the tacos from Jack in the Box, so these are even better because they're in the spicier side. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed that video. All right, guys, thanks.